Greetings, Crypt here. Day 5 of Gold Chicken Challenge. So we're trying to beat faction Crypts and get Lydia as soon as possible. Yeah, so let's check. Yeah, day 5. Tomorrow we'll get a bunch of energy that we can use to train more chickens. Okay, big achievement. Yesterday I managed to earn some more stars on the Sacred Order Crypt. So as you see here, I got stage 7 done, not with 3 stars, but enough to move forward. What helped me here, so I was saying that before that I struggle with this boss crowd control effects like provokes and other stuff. Yeah, so this hero witness helped me a lot, so I put it as a lead to increase the team resistance, and generally that resolved my issue here. Yeah, pretty good. And I pushed a little bit further here. So we got already 69 stars. Today we will do more barbarian, high elves, and lizardmen. So you have stuff to do. Regarding his today, crypts, so bannerlord, 8 stars, not much, and undead horde 1 star. And probably that was also Dark Elf 1 star, so not much progress here. I don't have any good heroes, and food was not ready for that. Okay. Today, as you see, we have Portal is glowing blue, so we got boosted chances to get better heroes from Ancient Shards, so we'll do that today. But before, I want to mention one more important thing about Classic Arena. So I built a team which seems to be pretty good, and that's my setup. So let's take a look. So here we have Malbranch as team lead. She's got the speed in arena battles increased by 16%. So generally she's without no gear. I care just about her aura. We got Diabolist, farmable hero from the campaign. I geared her with speed and reach 187. Pretty nice, like day 5. It's great. Next, I'm planning. The plan is to War Maiden will drop the enemy defense, so speed is 182. So right after Diabolist. So Diabolist will use this A3 ability, which will fill the meter of all allies. So we will be speed tuned. Right, so War Maiden, not the best accuracy, but for now it's good enough. 128. And at the end, Atel with speed 168 will do her combo. So first she will buff up her attack by 25%, and then launch her nuke. Yeah, that's the plan. So let's see how this will work. This team is not like speed race, but let's take a look how this works. Yeah, Diabolist, War Maiden, and Adel. Job done. Okay, so maybe let's try to find with maybe let's clean one more and we'll reach next arena level. Yeah, perfect. So we are now in bronze 4. Do we have any speed here? We got. Let's try to win the speed of this one. Speed race. Yeah, we won. And not perfect. Wukong is too tanky a little. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Okay, and so we are easily earning, maybe not easily sometimes, but we are earning some arena medals. That's good. It's important to improve all stats of all heroes to help beat faction wars. Okay, so that was the arena. So now let's take a look to the progress. So campaign is on the normal is clean on 3 star. We can collect our void shard. On hard, I have 23 stage 23 reached, so Aetol is able to farm here with 3 chickens, generally like 95%. That's good. What else? Regarding the events, so I managed to complete Dungeon Divers and get the Petrifia. That's good. And we got another Ancient. Let's collect because we'll be summoning that in a minute. Artifact enhancement. We are very close to the next hero, which is Reviver in the Demon Spawn, as I remember. That will be huge. So generally I earn those points building the arena team. Okay, and I think we get one more on our daily. So let's complete, and yeah, we got one more on the weekly. Great. Okay, so big moment. Let's try to summon something which we can use in faction crypts. Okay, let's start. Anything good? Blood Painter. Reviews probably not what we have here. Okay, poison, decrease accuracy on all. Small chance. Oh, filter meter. Analyze 20% and place increase attack. Something very similar to Diabolis probably, but better 20% and built-in increased attack. Interesting. Okay. Next one. Another blue. What we have here? Increase attack. Stun. Not. We'll see. Cannot say anything more about this one. Another blue. Girl mask. Two-time attack. Not sure, not sure. We'll see. Arena battles. Give me something. Diabolis, farmable. Jump, not perfect. And another blue. Oh, greener. I think this is a reviver. Yes, revives an ally. Okay, for sure this one will help with undeads. Horde Crypt, that's perfect. Maybe not super perfect, but at least something. We got one more void, so let's take a look what we'll have here. Another blue, okay. Steadfast Marshal. A1 Provoke, okay. Oh, big increased defense. But only this champion. Ow. Ouch. And perfect veil of on allies except this one. Yeah, no epics, unfortunately. So that will be all for today. So if you like, hit all the buttons that you can, so likes and subscribe. Yeah, I figure that will be all for today. Cheers.